Tired of forgetting to pay your bills and struggling to keep track of recurring expenses? Let's dive into how to add recurring bills in Quicken Classic, making bill management a breeze. First, open Quicken Classic on your desktop. Navigate to the Bills and Income tab, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. Now, look for the Add Reminder button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click the button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Scheduled Transaction. This will open a new window for you to input your bill details. In the Create Scheduled Transaction window, start by entering the name of the payee in the payee field. This is who you are paying the bill to. Next, enter the exact amount of the bill in the Amount field. Make sure to double-check that it's accurate. Now, select the frequency of the bill payment. From the Frequency drop-down menu, options include monthly, quarterly, annually, and more. Choose the one that matches your bill cycle. Choose the bank account you'll be using to pay the bill from the Account drop-down menu. This is crucial for Quicken to track your spending correctly. Assign a category to the bill using the Category drop-down menu. This helps you organize your expenses and track where your money is going. For example, you could choose utilities for your electricity bill. Finally, specify the date of the next bill payment in the Next Date field. This ensures Quicken reminds you at the right time. Click the Save button to save the recurring bill. Congratulations! You've successfully added a recurring bill to Quicken Classic. Now you can relax, knowing Quicken will help you stay on top of your bills and improve your cash flow management.